morning to one and all. So, myself Dr.Dinesh, professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today, we are going to see the introduction on cloud computing. So, that is our subject. So, computing is nothing but the use of computer to process the data and to perform calculations. That is nothing but computing. So, in other words, creating, designing and building the hardware and software system for a wide variety of purposes. So like processing, structuring and managing and storing the data. That is, with the help of computers we are able to perform some kind of operations. That is nothing but computing. So traditionally internet can be noted as cloud. So that is nothing but computing through internet is called as cloud computing. That is nothing but the definition of cloud computing. So in other words, it can also be called as delivery of services through internet is called as cloud computing. So next we are going to see the evaluation of cloud computing. So how the cloud computing have been come into the market, so that we are going to see. That is nothing but the evolution of cloud computing. So in that first we are going to see about the peer-to-peer computing. So the word peer is nothing but the computer. So peer-to-peer, it can also be denoted as P2P. That is, each individual machines can be connected to one another with the help of network. That is, files can be shared between one machine to another machine without the need of server. That is nothing but the peer-to-peer. So here, in order to establish the peer-to-peer communication, we need of network and also the P2P software. That is, P2P software that is coming in the market are CASA and then LimeWire. So these are all the software that have been available in the market to establish peer-to-peer computing. That is, files can be shared between one machine to another machine without any intervention of server. That is nothing but peer-to-peer computing. And then in addition to that, so next is the client server computing. So here single server have been placed, that is a centralized server have been placed where multiple clients can be connected to the server. So client is nothing but making request to the server, where a server will respond to the client request. So that is nothing but the client server computing. So whenever the request made by the client to the server, it will process all kind of operation and deliver the result to the client. So you can see one of the example, that is JNTU result. So when the JNTU results have been declared, many clients, that is many students will log in by giving their register number and then their date of birth, and then they request the JNTU server for results. So the JNTU server will take all the requests from the clients, it will process and send the respective results to the concerned client. So that is nothing but the client server computing. And then next we are moving on to distributed computing. So it is a network, so where multiple resources have been placed in different locations, that is either processor or memory or some kind of other memory management. All resources have been placed in a distributed manner. So multiple users can simultaneously share all those resources and they can utilize. So that is nothing but the distributed computing. And then next coming to the grid computing.